It's really the next year that's worrying us with the manufacturing and what tariffs will do, said Stacy S. Blake, the president of the National Fireworks Association and co-owner of Schnitter Fireworks and Importing in Missouri. Wow, fireworks are a $2 billion industry in the United States, and about 99% of the fireworks that light up the skies across America come from China. And that story continues on page 19. And there's a photo right here. It says Kadrin Spillman 8